Hmm. At least, ito na yung hall within the building of MDRM Ula Trinidad. May pre-provide sila na collapsible tent with beddings. Yan, individual na. Yung mga, Yan. La Trinidad MDRNC number 17 on this. Ganyan yung tulugan na. Ito, yan. Pag-aabayin nyo at lumabalin nga gabay tipo. Yan. With kitchen. May karganak na din. Okay, ito with bedding. With paglutuan.